Yes, welcome back to the channel and cell cycle, where we are going to study about the cell growth and cell division, the cell cycle and the mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis, as we all know, is about the formation of the haploid cells, and meiosis is the formation of the diploid cells. Growth is the increase in the size of the mass of the developing new living system of the irreversible process that occur in all of the organizational level. That is known as octic growth, that increase in the cell mass. When the increase in the cell mass, that is called octic growth, and the multiplicative growth, and increase in the cell number due to the cell division, and the acceleration accretionary growth. Accretionary growth, that means the growth due to the accumulation of the extracellular products. Accretion means the increase by addition of the surface of the material at the same nature as that they already present. That is the manner of the growth of the crystals. Generally, when the rate of the anabolism, for example photosynthesis, protein synthesis, etc., are exceeds the rate of the catabolism, that is respiration, the growth of the protoplasm, the oxidative growth take place. Cell cycle and mitosis. All the cells are produced by the division of the pre-existing cells. That means the cells are produced from the division of the pre-existing cells. When the pre-existing cell get divided, they form the new cells. And by the continuity of the cell life depends upon the cell division. And जब इसकी continuity बढ़ जाती है तो उसको cell division बोलते हैं. This cycle act as a unit of the biological time and defined as the history of the cells. Cell cycle can be defined as the entire sequences of the events happening from the end of the end one nuclear division of the beginning of the next. There is a cell cycle having the chromosomal cell cycle, cytoplasmic cell cycle, and the centrosome cell cycle. Harvard and Pale in 1953 have divided the cell cycle into the four categories. First is G1, S, G2, and M phase. G1 phase is generation 1, S is S phase, and M is G2 phase, and M is the metaphase. G1 phase, having the G1 phase after the M phase, is the previous cell division. Cell cycle. The daughter cell begin at the G1, the interface of the new cell cycle. G1 is the resting phase. It is known as the first gap phase. And since no DNA synthesis takes place during the stages, currently G1 has G1 has the first growth phase. During G1 phase, the chromatin is fully extended and not distinguishable to discrete chromosomes, and with the light micro in the with the help of the light microscope. G1 involves the transcription of the three types of RNAs, namely rRNA, tRNA, and mRNA. rRNA synthesis is indicated in the appearance of the nucleolus in the interphase, G1 phase, and the nucleus. Different stages of the mitotic cell division and their duration in hours. In hours. In hours. This is called the. This is called pack. Parts of the cell cycle. Parts of the cell cycle having the four parts: prophase, metaphase, interphase, and anaphase. But there is interphase and the meiosis occur because interphase is the last phase. In the phases are G1, S, and G2, and M phase. The prephase DNA. The phases synthesize the DNA synthesis phase, and G2 having the post DNA synthesis phase, and M phase is the mitotic phase. Vicia faba having the Vicia faba is the scientific name of chana, and which is belonging to the Fabaceae family, and it has the G1 phase 12, S is 6, and G2 has 12, and M is 1, and mouse L cells are 12 6 are 12 6 to 8 3 to 4 and 1, and human HeLa cells are 10 12 10 3 and 1. Thank you.